What is going on, you guys? Joshua Elder here. Welcome back to the channel. Today is a very exciting day because I got some special news for you guys. Now, in the meantime, though, we're going to go over the income proof from over the course of the last week from this 0 to 10K case study. As you guys know, if you're somebody that's new to the channel, this might be foreign to you. So you're going to want to jump into the description of this video and start with video 1, because what I'm doing is I'm showing people exactly how to copy and paste my proven assets, my proven marketing campaigns to start generating results online and scale up to $10,000 per month using and leveraging the affiliate marketing business model. So within each and every one of our videos, we do an income review of what we've made from the previous day. And then I give you a copy and paste action plan that you can use to start generating results. So again, if you're new, make sure that you start with video 1, which is going to be the first step in the description below if you are brand new to the channel. Also, if you're new, make sure that you subscribe to the channel and tick that bell icon so you're notified of every single tutorial video that I upload when I upload them. Okay, this is the first of its kind, you guys. This is the paint by numbers, step-by-step system where each and every day I tell you exactly what to do and duplicate what I'm doing to generate success and results inside of my business. Without further ado, let's go ahead. It's been 1 full week now. We started this campaign on January 23rd. It's now January 30th. So let's go over the different income streams, the amounts that we've earned, and I've got something very, very special for you guys today towards the end of this video. First, we're going to go ahead and send out an email as well. And then we have a video to upload today. And that video will be available a little bit later on today. So you just have to understand, guys, I'm posting to this channel as well as posting to the other channel where you guys are able to duplicate those videos and upload them to your channel. So there's a lot of work that's required that goes into this stuff. But nonetheless, it's worth it to help you guys reach success. We've had plenty of members already generate their first sale online in the first week, and other people are scaling up. So it doesn't matter whether you already have a business, you're just getting started with affiliate marketing, this can definitely help you. So let's go ahead and let's check out income stream number 1. By the way, all the links for these different income streams will be in the description below. Again, they're not going to make perfect sense to you. You're going to be like, well, how am I generating income? What are these products? That's in video 1. So make sure that you follow video 1 if you haven't already. We've been through a week of videos already. So you guys do have the ability to catch up to this point. If you don't worry. Don't get overwhelmed or anything of that nature. Take this step by step. This is evergreen. This is going to work whether we're on day 60 and you're just joining, or whether we're on, day 20. All right. So $1,260 from this income stream right here. We did have one day that just absolutely crushed it, and we did $440 in this income stream. We also have, let's jump over here, this income stream, and I'm going to quickly jump to the bottom. I don't want to give away too much personal information. $918 here. So let's go ahead and let's tally that up. $918. And then we've got another $240 generated from Traffic Authority. So let's go ahead and let's add that in there, plus $240. And then we've got MLGS over here, which is $525. Let me just go ahead and refresh this and log in. I want to make sure that it's been refreshed. I go to affiliates, commissions. So yeah, $525 here. So let's go ahead and add $525. And then the last income stream right here, which is going to be E1U Life, $515 from the last 7 days. So let's go ahead and add 515. And we are at approximately $3,458. And if we were to take that, you guys, we were to divide that by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, hasn't even been completely 8 days, but we'll just, to be conservative, divide this by 8, and we are at over $400 per day, you guys. $400 per day. You guys are duplicating this whole entire campaign step by step and click by click. So what we're going to do now is we're going to log into MLGS, which we are logged in here. We're going to just go home and we're going to click on create message. We've sent out 3 messages up to this point. We're going to go ahead and send out our 4th message. So we're going to click on select all right here. And by the way, all the steps for this video will be below in the description below. So make sure that you complete each and every step, you guys. Let's go ahead and insert the subject right here. And we're going to pull up our 0 to 10K email swipes. Okay, so let me go ahead and just refresh this here and scroll down. And we're going to go to email 4. Again, these swipes are available in the description below. Let's go to email 4 subject. And we're going to copy this. We're going to jump over. We're going to go ahead and paste it right here in the subject. Then we're going to go down to the good old body here. And we're going to take this whole entire bit here. We're going to copy it. And we're going to jump back over. We're going to paste, delete all this text here. We're going to paste. And then we, of course, we want to highlight everything, eliminate the bolding as always, backspace, make this look nice and neat here. And we're going to add our links and replace with our name here. So I'm just going to put my name here, Josh. And then I'm going to put my name here, Josh as well. And cool. Now what we're going to do is we're going to jump over here, log into our SAM cart for the all-in-one business. We're going to grab this link right here, all-in-one $25 business sales letter. We're going to jump back over and we're going to go ahead and add the link here. And then we're going to add one more here. Okay. Paste. Of course, we've clicked this anchor text link right here. We've pasted links here and here, and we are good to go. One thing that I'm just quickly going to make sure that I change here is I'm going to put link next to this so people know that there's a link that needs to go to this line of text. So you guys know where the 2 links go. And of course, you'll want to remove, this bit right here. So now what we can do is we want to click on perfect timing and send email. And our email has been sent or is being sent out. You should see a line of text that pops up. Once this is finished, boom, your message has been queued. You should be able to view it on the statistics page in a few moments. So if we go to the home page, we can actually see all of our messages in the stats right here. It's pretty cool, right? So 10% open, 35%, 34%, click-through rates looking good. So we're going to keep scaling up. This is how we're getting quick sales, quick potential results right out of the gate. And then we're also building over on YouTube by allowing you to copy my exact videos, unique videos that I give to you that you download to your computer and upload exactly as I show you. So later today, there's going to be a video available, okay? And you guys can feel free to upload that video. I will be releasing a tutorial on how I'm optimizing that video. But if you want to take it upon yourself to upload the video in the way that we've shown you in the past, then feel free to do so. It will be available here in the Google Drive, okay? So just know that. So what I wanted to do is I wanted to get to the most important part of this very video here. Okay, in multiple income funnel, if you don't have it, you need it because it's going to simultaneously promote all of our income streams, available income streams on our behalf. So income stream number 2 is E1U Life. And what I'm doing for a limited time is I'm offering a very, very unique bonus to people that upgrade to the Vertex Live level. Okay, if you do not know what the Vertex Live level is, you need to log into the multiple income funnel and watch income stream number 2 video. Okay, so after you've completed step 1, you go to step 2, set up your income streams. And then in step 2, it's video 2. You want to watch this so you understand how E1U Life works. Okay, this is going to be the biggest money maker for you guys this year. You're gonna be able to earn $2,000 commissions, boom, like clockwork. Okay, and that's what this whole series on YouTube shows you exactly how to do. So here's the cool thing. I'm gonna offer a bonus for you to upgrade to the highest level, which is the Vertex Live level. Again, if you don't know what that is, you got to watch this video right here on screen. Once you upload it, guess what I'm going to do for you? I'm going to allow you to copy my entire Done For You campaign. And there's going to be some videos available that will not be available to the public that you're going to be able to copy. So by saying this, essentially, you're going to copy my whole entire campaign as far as being able to capture emails, email addresses, and there's going to be an email follow-up series that send out 2 emails a day on your behalf automatically, getting people into these multiple income streams and then getting them upgraded into the different income streams, including E1U Life. So you're going to have your own custom page. It's going to look something like this, okay? They're going to go to the page, right? It's going to be in the description of your YouTube videos. They're going to go to a page, looks just like this. They're going to click on it. Yes, give me instant access. They're going to enter their information here. It's going to take them to your YouTube channel with this very video, along with all the video follow-ups that are going to link within the emails, the follow-up emails that your prospects are going to receive. They're going to go out to your YouTube videos, causing people to sign up and upgrade for the multiple income streams. So these emails, I mentioned there's going to be 2 that are going to be sent out each and every day. And this is going to be the sequence that you're going to copy. So not only are you going to copy this page and the YouTube videos that other people won't get access to, you're also going to be able to copy this sequence right here that I just showed you. And in this sequence, we'll be adding more and more emails to your sequence every single day. There's 2 emails that get sent out that entice people to get involved with the multiple income streams, okay, that we offer, like multiple income funnel, the all-in-one business, et cetera, E1U Life. And so what we're going to do is I'm going to set up this whole entire campaign for you. My team will import the emails. My team will set up the web pages. My team will do all the guest work. And all you got to do is copy the videos and share your affiliate links across social media. That's all you're going to have to do. So this is going to be a unique bonus, bonus number 1. Bonus number 2 is you're going to be able to offer these bonuses to your prospects as well, which is really going to be really cool. I'm going to do all the selling and telling. You don't have to do any of the selling and telling whatsoever. So our team is going to completely separate ourselves from everybody else because we have these unique bonuses. So the very bonuses that I'm offering you, you're also going to be able to offer to other people that will get them upgraded in E1U Life to the highest level. Okay, so that's bonus number 2. So number 1, Done For You campaign. Number 2, you get to offer that campaign and everything as a bonus as well. Also, number 3, which will be included in the bonus that you'll be able to offer, is a private chat group where you get a chat with other members that have upgraded to the highest level in E1U Life, and you'll get exclusive access to exclusive calls that I hold and Q&A sessions that no one else will get access to. So those are the 3 bonuses. You'll have everything that you need to succeed with this business long-term for the next year. Okay, so again, you get the private chat, you get to copy my campaigns, you get to offer all this stuff as a bonus, and you get access to live calls. It's going to be super cool. And again, your team will get access to these live calls as well. It's going to be incredible. One other thing that I wanted to mention before I forget is when you upgrade to the highest level, I'll have access to your email in E1U Life, and I will send you all your bonuses through email, and we will coordinate that way. Okay, just so you know. So look out for an email from me personally to give you access to the bonuses. I'm so excited for this. We're going to help so many people succeed and earn those big $1,000, $2,000 commissions as well as commissions on the other income streams. Okay, so this is going to be exciting. This is going to be available for a limited time. So you have the next week to get upgraded to the Vertex Live level from the date of this video. And if you take action right now, they say successful people take action quickly and change their mind slowly. That's what we want to do. That's what successful people do. So those are the bonuses. You got the action plan for today, the email to send out, the video to upload. Again, that will be available later today, depending on when you watch this video. Just look below and you will see at some point video 3 available in the Google Drive. You'll be able to download. Okay? Guys, this is exciting. This campaign's absolutely blowing up, and I'm loving the feedback and the success that so many people are already achieving. Again, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Tick the bell icon. If you're skeptical, keep watching these videos, you guys. Much love. Appreciate you guys. All the steps and the resources are below this video. We'll see you guys in the next one.